Something's terrorized my psyche to get even. Lately you're the only human I believe in. I've tried to understand his logic, but there's just no pattern there. This is how you get out of my head. You said it ugly from every angle. You're the only beauty I don't wanna stray. If you hear me crying out for guidance, speaking out, we don't care. Sympathetic victims anyway. I won't get all fucked up and tell you how I really feel, 'cause your vibrant blackness, cocoa augury is so unreal. When I die, I want you to die too. Not trying to stay in this or any dimension without you. Spit on this planet without you. I envy you 'cause you can believe in things like I never could, and not dose yourself into a coma over the bestiality of our race. All of that I descended to some ancient reptilian form, like an agnostic transubstantiation. That use your imagination.